Nigerian Afrobeat star Tiwa Savage has shared a surprising perspective on infidelity, disclosing that every man she has dated has cheated on her. She revealed that cheating has never been the reason for ending any of her relationships. Speaking on Received podcast, the award-winning artist opened up about her approach to relationships, stating that she has always chosen forgiveness when faced with infidelity. I have been cheated on before. I found out and I forgave every time, Savage stated. Every man I have ever been with has cheated, and I have never left them because of it. I've left for other reasons, but not because they cheated. Cheating is not my aim. Despite her stand on cheating, Tiwa Savage made it clear that disrespect is a boundary she will not tolerate. She explained that what hurts the most is dishonesty, an embarrassment that often accompanies infidelity. What hurts is the lie about it though. Maybe other people had known, and then I kind of felt stupid about it. Or they've known for a long time, or if it is close to home. The disrespect of it is why I could leave. But the actual act of it, I have never left a man cause of it, the 44-year-old singer said. Tiwa Savage highlighted the real reason behind her walking out from her past relationships. I have left for so many other reasons like drug abuse, or emotional abuse, or being emotionally abused, being ghosted, stealing, and financial things. But that cheating thing, nah, Tiwa Savage added. She cited these key factors as reasons that have led to breakups in her life. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more entertainment stories and exclusive videos.